Hello friends, today we are going to see that how to use your mobile phone application as a whiteboard. As you know that there is going on lockdown and the teachers have to take the class while sitting at home, so it is very hard, very difficult for them. So I will show you one application that is Liveboard Interactive Whiteboard, in which you can use it as a whiteboard. You can install it. I've already installed, so I will just go to the Liveboard. I will show you. Yes, Liveboard, in that as you are installing, at that time you will have that you have to log in. So you will log in with your Gmail address. As you have logged in, you can see here that this type of screen will be available. You will click on the plus sign. So here there are two options, that is create group and join session. If you are joining like a public or you want to join the students, for them they have to click on the join session and they don't need to log in over there. Yes, we have to log in and we have to create the group. So yes, I'm going to create a group. I have the classes of 10th, 9th. I just take it an example. So I'll create a group of 10th standard. In that, I will click on the strength. As I will click, you will see here that the board is written. With that, there is a recording. Here, if you are having any recording, you can start the recording. I don't have any recording over there. You want the members to be invited, you can invite the members. From here, you can see the plus sign, that is to invite the members. Now, as I've clicked over there, you can see here the options are there for the settings and that all. Here you can see that updated or created date. You can also search for your interactions. I will show you here that as I will click on this 10th standard, the group which I have made it, you will see three options: create from PDF, join session and create board. As I have told you, join session is for the students. If you are inviting them for joining while you are interacting with them in the form of whiteboard, then you can give them the code, which I will explain you afterwards. So create from, if you are having already the PDF, that also you can explain over there. I'm going with the create board. As I will click on create board, you will see landscape and portrait. I will click on portrait, click on create, right? So in the portrait, as I've clicked, you can see here there are pages. If you want to add one more page, if your page is completed, if your whiteboard screen is completed, you can go for the next with the help of page 2. Here we have three dots in which you can see untitled board. Untitled board, which is the name given. You can also rename the board, so you can see rename board. Share the board. As I have told you, the students who want to join the session, they can you can share the board. So as I will click on share board, what you will see that it will be connected, and after that it will show the code over there. It is taking a time. Sorry for the inconvenience. So you can see here the code. You can share the code with the students in the form of WhatsApp. You can go and copy it. Next, after that, I will show you over here that how you can use this tool. Right. So this tool is like a pen. In that, different type of pen have been given over there. Highlighter, pen. Right. So even you can change the thickness, means the size of the pen. So as I am changing the size, you can see here. Again I am changing, and you can even change the color, right? You can see over here. Then next, after that, you can see here that if you want to go for the more colors, you have three dots. You can change the color. You can go for the different colors if you like it. I know that it is very useful. Then we can see over here one more thing, that is the shape. If you are using for your max calculation or maybe geometry, if you are using, then for the geometry also, yes, you can use it. Like if you want to show that obtuse angle, acute angle, you can show them over there, right? Then if you want to fill it, yes, you can change the size again and again. As I am saying you can change the size of it. Next, you can erase it. Here this is an eraser which can be used, right? As you will click on eraser, there is also an option that eraser, in that also the size are given. You can go for clear page also. I want to clear it the page, yes. Next after that you can see here the T. T means the text tool. So here in that also bold, italic, underline, the thickness of it, the color of it, you want to give it. So like here, okay. Next, just I will explain you. Next is about the photos. So I will choose the photo. If you are taking at that time also, you can take the photo and you can show the activity whichever you have, means the page which you have taken. You can take the photo at that time and you can explain them. Even you can go with the choose photo if you are having already any photo by which you want to show the activity, how they have to do, or you want to show that what is this image about the mind map, or any more about it, right? Then as I've explained you about it, now here we will also see over here that change the grid type. So you can see here change the grid type. In that different type of grids are given. You can see this grid, right, which we use it in the graph, row. I will show you row. I will apply it, right, in the form of line. If you want to write it properly, then you can. I'm not good in this work, but yes, we can write it in a line. Okay. Next, like I want to say about about the explanation about my window movie maker. So WMV or WLMP. I want to explain them, so I can explain over there. Even I can erase it, as I've told you. You can erase it. You can take the thickness, or you can also clear the page. Next, after that, as I've told you, you can start the recording, right? You can add the participants over here. You can have a chat also with the students while explaining about it. So this is about the live board. Hope you all understand. Please, in that one more thing is there that I will explain you. When you complete this thing, at that time you have the option over here about creating a PDF. Sorry. Again, I can go. You can see here. Yes, I've drawn something over here. Okay, and after that, I've completed. As I've completed, you can see here the option like you want to rename it. You can share it. You can export it as a PDF. You can move to group. So this options you will get it over here. Again, I'm showing here in the three dots, rename, make a copy, share it in WhatsApp, export as PDF. And if you want to delete, yes, you can delete. Like I will delete over here. You can see here I have deleted. Okay. So hope you all understand. Please like it and subscribe my